Hussein?
Grace.
Level 4, Getting Weird. This was the last week of September 2025. We started with some footwork exercises, some oops, all steps. Oops, all triple steps. Keep an eye on your pacing throughout. When we change our footwork, often we want to change the pacing of our moves.
And then we did some variations that started in a sugar push, and then we put it in a couple of different places. Do. And then we'll do it from another angle, from behind.
Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry.
Straight down. Do. And then we put in a swing out.
Do you
And
have
we
the
should
sign
do-
for that one? Yeah.
Yeah. And then lastly, put it in a pass by. That was it.
That's all. Bye.
Bye.